Hello everyone, I am Pooja GK. I am studying first year BCA in Interface College of Computer Application. Today I am here to explain about the topics types of computer memory. First we go to the types. There are three types of computer memory. First one is cache memory, second one is primary memory and third one is secondary memory. Now we go to the primary cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up to the CPU. It's nothing but cache memory is very speed of memory and it speed up to the CPU. CPU is very faster, it works like a CPU and it acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. Cache memory works intermediate between CPU and the main memory. Main memory is nothing but a primary memory. It is used to hold those part of data and the program which are most frequently used by the CPU. Cache memory holds the data and the programs when they are frequently used. Frequently means it is currently used. The parts of data and the programs are transferred from the disk to cache memory by the operating system. The transfer of data and programs from disk to cache memory by using an operating system. Now we see the picture of cache memory. Cache memory here it is a CPU and this is a main memory. It works like a buffer between CPU and the main memory. It works in faster and it works in slower. And now we go to the advantages of cache memory. Cache memory is a faster than main memory. Cache memory is very faster compared to primary memory. It consumes less access time as compared to the main memory. Cache memory consumes very less time and it storage data temporary use. Cache memory stores data or any type of programs. It's temporary. And disadvantages of cache memories are as follows. Cache memory has a limited capacity. Cache memory have not a large or huge capacity. They have a limited capacity and it is very expensive. It is very costlier. And next one is primary memory. Primary memory is nothing but a main memory. We all know. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which the computer currently working. Primary memory hold the data and the instructions which are currently working. Currently means when we use currently position, those currently working programs or data are holds. It has limited capacity and data is lost when the power is switched off. When power is turned off, the data and the any type of programs will be erased. It is generally made up of a semiconductor device. The primary memory is made up of semiconductor. When the data program erased, it is nothing but a volatile memory. It is divided into two subscription, RAM and ROM. Primary memory has divided into two subscription. First one is RAM and second one is ROM. Now we see the picture of characteristics of main memory. These are semiconductor memories. Primary memory is also a semiconductor memory. It knows the main memory. It is also known as a main memory. Primary memory is also known as a main memory. Usually volatile memory. Primary memory is a volatile, is nothing but a data is lost in case power is switched off. When the power is turned off, data will be erased. It is the working memory of the computer. It is working. Primary memory is also nothing but a working memory and faster than secondary memories. It works faster compared to secondary memory. A computer cannot run without the primary memory. Any type of computer which cannot run in presence of primary memory present, it will be run. And it shows the picture of primary memory. Here it is a primary memory. And types of primary memory, RAM and ROM. In RAM it has two types, SRAM and DRAM. In ROM it has three types, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. SRAM means static RAM and DRAM means dynamic RAM. PROM means programmable ROM and EPROM means electronic programmable ROM and EEPROM means electronic erasable programmable ROM. And now The difference between RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory, ROM stands for read only memory, and RAM is volatile in nature and ROM is non-volatile in nature. Volatile in nature means when the power is turned off, the data and the program will be erased. Non-volatile means when the power is turned off, the data and the program will be not erased. Storage of information is temporary. It means it stores any programs or data temporarily. It stores any type of data permanently. Requires flow of electricity to retain data. It requires very electricity in flow. It does not require flow of electricity. It does not require electricity. And large size with higher capacity. And RAM is a large in size and high capacity. It is ROM is small in size with less capacity. Used for both read and write. RAM is used for read and write, and ROM is used for only reading. And RAM is costlier, and ROM is cheaper than compared to RAM. Very fast but uses a lot of power. RAM is working very fast but lot of power. Fast and uses very little. And next one is secondary memory. This type of memory is also known as the external memory or non-volatile. Secondary memory is also known as the external memory, and it is a non-volatile in nature. Non-volatile is also everyone. When the power is turned off, the data will be not erased. It is slower than the main memory. Secondary memory is slower compared to primary memory, and these are used for storing data, information permanently. CPU directly does not access these memories. Instead of their accessed via input routines, and the contents of the semiconductor memory are first transferred to the main memory, and then the CPU can access it. For example, disk, CD, ROM, DVD, etc. And next one is characteristics of secondary memory. These are magnetic and optical memories. Secondary memories is also known as a magnetic and optical memories. It is known as the backup memory. It is non-volatile in memory. Data is permanently stored even when the power is switched off. It is used for the storage of data in a computer. Secondary memory, we use secondary memory used to storage in computer, and computer may run without a secondary memory. In any computer can run without secondary memory, slower than primary memory. It works like slower compared to primary memory. This is the picture of secondary memory. SD cards, HOD, pen drive, CD. These are the pictures of secondary memories. Thank you.